How to make someone a moderator on your Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to make someone a moderator on your Discord. So first thing, just head over to your Discord application or your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. Now simply select any of the servers which you are currently on and make sure in that server there are more than 2 people so that you can make anyone moderator, and simply tap on this drop down menu from that server and head over to its server settings. So as you can see, there are currently no roles option since I'm using it from my browser, so I'll simply show you from an example. Once you locate this roles option, just tap on this and click on this new role and just enter the name of your role name such as moderator or anything you want to give, and you can also actually choose the color for that particular role, and you can also choose the image for that. And once you do all of that, as you can see, I've given a new name that is a mode, and you can basically choose or enable this option to display role members separately from the online members, and you can also actually allow anyone to mention this role. So I'll simply keep it disabled for now and just head over to the permission section to actually let the moderator to give the permission about what they want, about what they can do or perform actions such as managing accounts, managing roles, or managing expressions, or kicking out members, viewing audit logs. So now simply head back to your general section, and from over here just choose any of the person to whom you want to make a moderator. And once you tap on that particular person, you can simply tap on this add role button over here and just select mode, which you just added previously. That is a new role, and just like that you can simply click on done, and that person will be a moderator for your channel. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.